If you've ever stared at your trading account wondering how it all slipped through your fingers, this one's for you. Because chances are the problem isn't your analysis, it's how you manage the risk. I'm not here to flex or sell you a dream. I'm here to talk about what actually works and why most people fail before they even get started. If you're tired of the emotional roller coaster, this video might just change how you approach trading forever. This is a fixed profit channel. I am a trader who has had a multifaceted, decade-long journey in this business. Now I'm assisted by a smart robot that scans the market and gives detailed information on indicators and recommendations. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today. Okay, here we go. Frank and Yen. 5-minute time frame. The robot's recommendation is to buy actively. 6 green indicators. Frequency of updating data in the robot 1 minute. According to the historical data, I see the buyers strengthening their positions in the past half an hour. Their volumes are working better. Friends, in order not to miss useful videos, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put likes and write comments. It helps the channel to grow and it motivates me to make more content for you. Now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages via the link in the description below the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Let's get one thing clear. If you're risking 10% of your account per trade, you're already gambling with your future. Discipline starts with sizing. The pros play small. The consistent ones risk just 1 to 2% of their deposit per setup. It's boring. It's slow. And that's exactly why it works. You're not in this for one lucky win. You're here to last and to grow. So stop thinking like a lottery player and start moving like an investor. I've been there, over-leveraged, overconfident, chasing confirmation from random YouTube thumbnails. I blew through my first 3 deposits thinking I had just one more shot. Everything changed when I made one rule non-negotiable. 1. 2% per trade always. I used the Signals Assistant to validate entries, waited for clean setups, and suddenly, my account started breathing. I stopped chasing and started building. Where most traders go wrong. The biggest mistake? Emotional trading masked as intuition. You think you're spotting patterns, but you're just projecting hope onto noise. People act like every spike is their breakout moment, like they're in a Scorsese movie, about to flip the script and go from zero to legend. Reality check, it's not your breakout, it's a trap. Trading success doesn't come from vibes. It comes from boring routines executed ruthlessly well. What to do instead? Stick to 1, 2% risk, always. Use 2 timeframes minimum, 1 for trend, 1 for entries. Don't act unless your strategy checklist is complete. Journal every trade. Entry, exit, reason, and your emotional state. Review once a week. Look for patterns in your mistakes and repeatable wins. So I completed the first transaction successfully. Now it's time for step 2. The signal is an active buy. 8 indicators show a strong bullish advantage in the next 5 minutes. I agree with the neural network in this situation. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. I have sped up the price movement for easy viewing. We help with training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions. and help with training for all participants. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on a lot of factors that I help you deal with and understand. The Assistant Fix Profit isn't magic, it's logic. It scans setups, confirms trends, highlights areas of interest. It removes the noise and keeps your finger off the trigger until the setup is right. It's not doing the work for you. It's making sure the work you're doing is actually smart. The assistant flagged GBP/USD last week. Volatility breakout, trend momentum aligned, clean pullback to structure. I risked $10 on a $1,000 account. Entry was surgical. Outcome? $8 return. No guessing, no gut feeling, just logic and execution. That's what repeatable success looks like. And right now, that Signals Assistant, it's free, completely, but only for the next 30 days. After that, it's going behind a paywall. And trust me, you'll regret missing this window. If you're serious about leveling up, now's your chance to get this edge permanently without paying later. Smash the like button if this hit a nerve. Drop a comment. How do you size your trades? What's your favorite confirmation tool? Subscribe if you're here for structure, not fluff, and get the assistant. The link's in the description. It's free now. Don't waste it. I've seen traders leave their 9-to-5s, not because they got lucky, but because they built systems. They traded small, smart, patient. They treated trading like a business, because it is. Yes, trading carries risk, but so does doing nothing. So does settling. So does hoping the next paycheck covers the next problem. With $100, you trade $1. You make 80 cents per win. With $1,000, it's $10 per trade, $8 per win. Same setup, different outcome. Scale smart. In the meantime, I have completed my work and you have seen my results. Subscribe. See you later.